Alright, hello everyone, Scott Girard here, and I am showing you in this video Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial on creating your workflow for when somebody purchases a product. So that's the next stage in this funnel building, right from opt-in to the end of the funnel. So we're getting close to the end here, so I'm just going to hop right into creating that workflow. So when we go into funnels, and we're going to go into my new lead magnet. This is the one we've been working on. Of course, if you want access to those videos, I do have them available, and they'll be in the description, all of the videos for these tutorials, and in a playlist as well. So we are on, so this is we want to, on the order page itself, so we want to create a workflow for this order. So now we'll just create a new workflow, and product one order, and we'll select order successful purchase and create that workflow. And then now we will send an email and you got order product one order success, and we'll design the email and my templates here. I'll just select this template. You want to edit this email, so you want to design that email. Congratulations on your purchase of product one. Inside this email you have instructions on using your product. And then you'll want to select an email where it's coming from and create this step. So we're going to wait a minute for this page to load up here. Oh yeah, so I'll put in just a bunch of text. Congratulations So we'll just have a simple email. Of course, yours will be longer than this. We'll save and exit. Recently used emails. So we'll go into the workflow and product one order. It's not showing a step for, oh yeah, product one order success. So there's the email, and then of course you can have a follow-up sequence for after they purchased the product. Maybe the next email you want to say, I know you're loving this product, maybe consider upgrading to another product. But what's neat in here is so I can add in, I have this trigger in here, and if I want to put in say a conditional split path for their purchased product, and then the name of the product, I can't remember what product we used, but I'll just go my product, submit. So if that's yes, maybe you want to have them send an email. And you would go through the steps to design the email just like I showed before. And if it's no, maybe you want to have them, you want to send a different email stating like, hey, I noticed you didn't purchase the product, and then have like some of the common objections and answer them in that email, and then have them go down that step in the funnel and go from there. So, and then in the email, of course, when they go to that, either of these emails, like in this one, you might have them just go to the if yes, you'll send that product order success email, or delete that step, and it'll just go here. Oh yeah, so if yes, you'll have the you go to that, send that email, and you put in the order success and the template. You can use these templates as well, but usually this is more for e-com products, but usually you just send a text-based email. I'll just select this template because it has some information in it. Congrats on your purchase. And then you might want to have a bit of a description like I showed earlier. Select where you're sending it from, and then you can have this go as much as you want. This one would be another email where you would say order not successful, and so you would put in select your template, and then this email would say something different, like we would like to help, and create that step. And then, of course, you can keep on following up until they purchase. So, and then when they do purchase, they're going to go down this path, and I'll keep on going through and then end the workflow. And that is how to create a product purchase workflow with a conditional step as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. If you don't have ClickFunnels 2.0 yet, these videos that I'm showing now are showing the power of it, and you can get your free trial in the link below as well.